Hi, we're talking about Certified Meeting Professionals, CMP accreditation today. Now, whether you are an accredited CMP designate or you are looking to become a fully qualified CMP designate, then my company can help you. I'm Kevin Walters from the Event Resources Group. I've been involved with the event industry. I've had my own agency for 25 years and I've been a trainer for 4 years. And we're a preferred provider for the Industry Council in America. Now, CMP is a fantastic qualification. It's a worldwide qualification. Wherever you go, it's heard of. So whether you're a newbie to the industry and you want to break into the industry, or you're re-qualifying, or you want to earn more money, it's proven that you earn more money as an event professional with the CMP accreditation than without it. So it's well worth getting. How do you get it? Well, you study with a company like ourselves. You have to study for 25 clock hours. They call it CE hours over 9 domains. Now, the domains are subjects, topics, and here's the topics. I'll read them out. Strategic planning, project management, risk management, financial management, human resources, stakeholder management, meeting or event design, site management, marketing. Sounds like a lot. We will help you through step by step. So we have courses that you can cherry pick out of those 9 domains. And we have other event courses as well, event health and safety, the event management masterclass, which is our signature course. All of them have CMP hours attached that you can use for your reclassification for your CMP qualification, or so that you can go on to take the exam. Now, you need 25 CE hours, so it's approved hours over those 9 domains. You also have to qualify for the exam by having a certain amount of event management experience, but we can talk to you about that. And then we take you through the training, and then you can actually apply to take the exam. Now, the exam takes place 4 times a year, every quarter. So we're in 2019, just coming up to November. So November is the next period, 2019. After that, it's 2020. It's January and May. They're the next 2 that are coming up very, very quickly. So if you want to get qualified, we have fantastic facilities. We give you the training. We give you recordings. We give you a Facebook group. We host weekly Facebook groups talking about the training we've already done. You'll get power notes on each section, and you'll get the backup of things like checklists and templates where appropriate. And we also go through exam training and exam questions. So if you want to know about CMP, come to us and we will help you out. Speak to you soon.